Hey guys, how are you? So welcome to our next tutorial in which I'm telling about some great plugin that you would like to hear about. So I'm still thinking after watching all my tutorials about customizing the plugins and upgrading it from 1.6 to 1.8 that what the heck are you doing? You're just editing that single piece of code and just saying that doing it completely on your own. So what about adding the plugin from 1.6 to 1.8 and upgrading them? So you're thinking that you can edit other plugins, you can do other things, but it's not right. So what you'll do when you'll come to Google SEO plugin. So this plugin requires some trick to edit it, to be edited. So this plugin is not compatible with my v1.8.0. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make compatible it. So let's see how. Go to the root directory of your MyBB, then go to the INC folder and then go to the plugins and look at the file that says Google SEO.php that you might be uploaded when we're using MyBB 1.6.0. So I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so in according to my recent tutorials about upgrading from 1.6 to 1.8, you might be thinking that I don't have to see this video and know what should it takes to make it compatible. You just have to change a single piece of code that says 1.6 to 1.8, but it's not right. So I'm gonna tell you how. So I'm editing Google's underscore SEO.php and look at the file that says compatibility. So it's not right here. See, it's not right here. So it's not all that you have to watch the video too in order to get all the things that's gonna work now. So it doesn't have a compatibility line. So what the heck I'm about to do now? I'm stuck. Is there anything else that I can add it about? Yeah, there is a folder called Google underscore SEO. So I'm gonna edit 404.php to see whether the file that I'm locating is here or not. I'm in the line. What the heck? That line is not reaching here too. So what the hell should I supposed to do now? So all you need to do is don't locate any file in Google SEO but plugin.php, and that is under the folder Google SEO. Look at the file that says Google plugin.php, edit the file, and this file has a line that says compatibility. Are you kidding me? Yes, I am. So let's see. Okay, so it's a file, it's just the line that says 1.6, move it to 1.8 and then save it. It's a bit tricky that you can look at the file everywhere, but the line is here in the plugins.php. So this is the benefit of watching the video. So I'm gonna hit refresh. Okay, so this plugin is now compatible with my BB 1.8.0. All I need to do is install and activate. So it has activated fully, but it requires plugin library to work with. So but it is activated. Our the thing that we were about to do in this tutorial is done. So in the next tutorial I'll be looking at for the file called plugin library and installing it here to let you people know that it is successfully working. So let's see.